Hi guys, Chantal here from Nerdy Mama. Today, we're gonna insulate this workshop. Let's do it. The idea is not really necessarily to super soundproof or do anything really drastic. We just want a little bit more insulation, because I think in the summer we're going to put in an AC unit, and definitely this winter we're going to get a space heater in here, and whatever we can do to minimize the exhaust where the heat or the AC is escaping is what we'd like to do. So basically, throwing up insulation, we decided with R13, R13 was the cheapest. We got faced. We went with the roll, and we're just gonna try really hard to make this work for us. So this is me giving it a shot.
All right, first things first, we had to clean off all the walls. The previous owner of our house had put up these long, 12-foot long cedar planks that basically from the fence outside on about halfway up the wall. So we had to get those off and then get any nails or anything that was sticking out of the wall off as well. And though I didn't catch this on tape, what we did after we cleaned the walls off was we filled any holes we found with great stuff so that it was, you know, solid. Once the walls were cleaned, it was time to break out the insulation. Like I said before, we'd picked an R13. We weren't looking to really super insulate it like a house or anything, but this is what was easiest for us. So that little roll did not go as far as I thought that it would. We ended up buying the longer things that are pre-cut. And I will have to tell you right now, that is a huge time saver. It is totally worth the extra cash. Go ahead and buy the ones that are cut for the length of a typical wall. I scooshed these down behind the cabinets because we couldn't really move the cabinets. But other than that, these went up so much faster than that roll because I didn't have to stop and cut every 2 seconds. Now you can see here on this wall that I've got an outlet, and I'm just going to kind of smoosh the insulation behind the outlet a little bit. It's not going to work as well in spots that you smoosh it like that, but it's better than having to spend time cutting the hole. I'm far too lazy to cut holes every outlet. So now what I did was I put up all of the pieces that didn't need cutting, and then I went back and I cut all the ones that needed cutting, and I think that worked best for me because then that put me in a, you know, cutting mode so that and I could use all those pieces to kind of fill in as I cut. I didn't cut one and then have extras laying around and couldn't find them. They were just all in one place and I could bang them all out. And then I went back in, and anywhere it just kind of was kooking out or didn't look right, I went ahead and stapled it. There's a flap for that. You don't have to do this step, but on the wall where we were going to have the pegboard in particular, we did decide to go ahead and staple that back.
So as you can see behind me, I did this and then put pegboard on this wall. So if you'd like to see that pegboard video, click the little card above. I'm pretty sure I can figure out how to do that between now and when I actually publish this video. Anyway, so if you guys like this and want to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, the little bell button. Like is good, bell better, so that you get notified the next time a video comes out. I really appreciate you being here, and you know, if you sat through this video, enjoy some bloopers. Thanks. Bye. Whatever that is. Why do I keep clicking my tongue? Ugh.